Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding and different, amazing and very creative, beautiful jute crafts ideas. Today we will talk about the beautiful jute crafts ideas that can change simple things into amazing decor. Jute craft is not only creative but also very eco-friendly and natural for our environment. With jute rope and fabric, we can decorate bottles, jars, photo frames, and many other items. Old glass bottles look boring, but jute wrapping makes them stylish and elegant. When you cover a bottle with jute, it gives a rustic and classy look. Jute craft shows that waste items can become beautiful decoration pieces. Always clean bottles and jars properly before starting any craft work. Use strong glue so the jute stays in place for a long time. Jute jars are perfect for storing dry flowers, candles, or small lights. These jute jars gives a warm and cozy feeling to your room. Handmade jute crafts add a personal touch to your home. Jute photo frames look simple but very attractive. And jute photo frames look simple but very attractive, and you can decorate frames with jute shells, beads, or wooden buttons. Such frames make your memories look more special. And jute craft teaches patience and creativity. Do not hurry while wrapping jute. Take your time for neat work. Simple designs often look more beautiful than heavy decorations. Natural colors of jute bring peace and calmness to the mind. Jute craft is perfect farmhouse and vintage decor lovers, and you can also gift jute crafts items to your loved ones. Handmade gifts always have more valuable than expensive store items. And jute crafts is also a good idea for a small home business. With practice, you can improve your designs day by day. Always believe in your creativity and never feel disappointed. Even small mistakes teach us something new. Jute crafts remind us to reuse instead of throwing things away. This habit helps save money and protect nature. Children can also learn basic jute craft with supervision. So friends, use soft lighting with jute decor to enhance its beauty, and jute bottle lamps look magical at night. Do not overload decorations, keep it balanced and neat. Natural decor always stays in trend. Jute crafts are suitable for every season and every home. Simple jars can become stylish organizers with jute. Always store jute crafts in dry places to keep them safe. Respect handmade work because it needs time and efforts. Crafting relaxes the mind and reduces stress. When you create something with love, it shows in the result. Never compare your work with others. Everyone has a unique style. Try new ideas and patterns with confidence. Jute craft teaches simplicity and beauty in nature. Even beginners can make beautiful jute decor items. Practice makes your hands perfect and steady. Appreciate yourself for every small success. Keep learning and exploring new craft ideas. Jute craft is not just decorations, it is an art. Spirit positivity through homemade creation, and thank you for supporting handmade and eco-friendly crafts. All ideas is very creative, very beautiful and very amazing. Jute crafts ideas like DIY rustic bottles, jar and frame decor. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. It's a very beautiful, amazing DIY jute rope crafts, rustic bottle jar and photo frame ideas. All ideas very useful. Upcycle bottles and jar decor with jute and budget friendly. Thanks for watching my videos, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Most beautiful, most demanding and amazing and very creative articles. It's a very beautiful, highly demanding and very creative jute art and jute decoration ideas. Keep crafting, keep smiling and keep your home beautiful with jute decor. Thank you so much. Please give a feedback and subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye.
हमारे पास ड्राइवर है लेकिन उसकी नींद पूरी नहीं होती। हाँ हाँ रुमान भी कह रहे थे, कहते रुमान भी इतनी